everybody, Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Today we're going to do kind of a review, but not really. You see, the Meatstick X and the Meatstick Mini, they say that they can be used in a deep fryer. Well, today we're going to go ahead and test that. We're going to go ahead and deep fry a chicken breast and see what these things can do. Now, when you insert the meat stick, make sure that you get that whole silver part all the way in and just that ceramic tip sticks out. So, we're going to go ahead and give it a try, see what it does. Hopefully, it works and I don't lose a meat stick. We're going to go ahead and begin now. First, get that oil up to a nice 350 degrees. Then, once that happens, go ahead and get about a cup of flour into the bowl. Put a little bit more if you are getting more chicken done. Now, I put in some S&S Competition Chicken Blend. It's got some salt, pepper, garlic, onions powder, some ancho chili powder, whole host of other spices. Now, I'm only doing one chicken breast here. Going to be cooking more, of course, amp up all that seasoning and flour. Now, I'm also only doing just to test to see if the Meatstick Mini is truly deep fry capable. So, I'm not doing an egg wash batter nor buttermilk. So, no double dipping. We're just going to do straight up, put the Meatstick Mini into the chicken and deep frying. Right now, you're seeing me set up the program for the Meatstick Mini because you have to set that up and get it Meatstick Mini programmed for deep fry mode before you put it into the chicken, and then you can start the deep fry. So, now you're seeing me stick the Meatstick Mini all the way into the chicken. I'm trying to do it one-handed, as you can see. A little difficult, but it is what it is. Get that silver part all the way into the chicken, and then go ahead, drop it into the hot oil very slowly so that way it doesn't bubble out. Let that chicken just cook as per the program. Trust me, it'll take care of itself. Flip it over a couple times, as you're going to see. It's cooking away right now. We're sitting at about 94 degrees, so we've got a little ways to go. Now we're at 164 degrees. We have just hit temp at 165. So let's pull this out the grease and let it rest for a couple minutes so we don't burn our mouths. Oh, this is going to be so good. And we're done. It's also very hot outside, so glad I made this little shack on the inside. Now, let's talk about how well this little mini meat stick did. It performed beautifully. There is no blemishes, there's no burn marks, no melting, no nothing. It got up to temp, stayed it. We're going to go ahead and dig in real quick, see how well it did. Oh yeah, we perfectly cooked. Very nice. Perfectly cooked, perfectly seasoned, just right. Definitely can deep fry. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.